Hello everybody. You might have watched my different videos on the topics which are related to mechanical engineering. But today I am going to speak on some different topic which is not related to mechanical engineering. Now, many times we wonder what is the difference between Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology. So today I am going to express my views on the difference between the Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology qualifications. So just before that, I would like to just give you an overall idea about a manufacturing industry first. So in any manufacturing industry, you have a number of shops are there, number of different departments are there. Okay. So the shops they will be like a forge shop will be there, a machine shop will be there, a cutting shop will be there, a paint shop will be there. You will have different shops again depending on what is the type of manufacturing industry. Uh, in all these shops, the material is being converted from one form to the another form, and sometimes it is being converted into a finished product, and sometimes it is in the form of a semi-finished product. But to run all these shops, there are few other departments are required, like a stores or a inventory department is required, like total quantity management department is there, like security and vigilance department is there, timekeeping department is there, purchase and vendor department is there, sales and marketing department is there. Okay, so there are number of different other department depending on what is the size of that industry, depending on different policies of that industry. Okay, but all these departments they are essential to run these different shops. Okay, so that is to be kept in mind. Now coming back to the difference between Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology. In Bachelor of Engineering, you learn about technical subjects which are required in these shops. Okay, like there might be you have large number of subjects like that. But apart from that, you also learn subjects related to managing these shops, or these subjects they might be useful in other departments like in inventory, or like in purchase and vendor development, or like in sales and marketing department. Okay, these subjects they are also taught in Bachelor of Engineering, whereas in Bachelor of Technology, generally subjects which are related to core branches, branch core subjects are taught. So generally these subjects they are practically oriented, they are skill oriented, and generally they don't include subjects related to management. Okay, that is the first difference. Second difference you will find in Bachelor of Engineering, more of a theoretical knowledge is there, and you are also taught subjects from other branches also, different branches of engineering. Whereas in case of BTech, other branch subjects are generally not included, and all the subjects which are included they are specific to that particular branch, and they are core subjects and they are practical oriented subjects. Now, as far as our country is concerned, we have AICT to regulate the syllabus which is being taught in different institutes. So long as institute is uh, affiliated or is being accredited by AICT, whether you go for BTech or whether you go for BE, that hardly makes any difference. The only difference is that some institutes in India which are affiliated to central universities or government universities, they generally offer Bachelor of Engineering, whereas the other institutes which are autonomous or which are autonomous universities or private universities, we can say, they offer Bachelor of Technologies degree. So it's up to you to make a choice whether a Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology. As far as my opinion is concerned, I would say it is the institute which offers this degree is more important, because there is hardly any difference in the subject curriculum so long as the institute is affiliated to AICTE. So I leave this decision to you, and I hope my info on this difference between BE and BTech was useful. So thanks for watching this video.